At the beginning and end of the school day, students' cars flood the Shawnee Mission East parking lot, causing wrecks. Junior Josh Tilton experienced a crash his first time driving to school.
I was driving my Acura TL, parking in this spot, and I was trying to take a left to go in. I was too wide, and I hit the bumper of this car right here. Luckily, no one was inside, because that would have been really awkward. And everyone saw it across who was still in the car.
Senior Isabella Velez was sitting in her car across from Tilton and witnessed the wreck.
The person who parks in front of me was parking into his parking spot and just hit a parked car right next to him, and it was the weirdest day. I was like, oh my gosh, that did not just happen, but yeah.
At the sophomore lot entrance, two students were turning into the lot at the same time, and the resulting crash totaled Isabella Velez's car.
Well, at first I was just looking at my sister and was like, oh my gosh, that did not just happen. And then we both got out of our cars and decided to move it since it was blocking the entrance into the sophomore lot. And then we just called our parents and took pictures.
From a survey of 201 East students, 11.6% have experienced a crash on East property, but there are a few simple tips to avoid them.
It is just paying a lot of attention to what's in front of you. Make sure your distractions are at a minimum. Cell phones, obviously in your purse or in your pocket. Pay attention to what's going on around you, the other cars, the other people that are walking around, kids on bikes, and just take your time. There's no rush to get here, so just take your time, get in the parking lot, watch out for all those other distractions, and get here safely.